So I'm gonna start by laying out a line 3 inches from the ceiling. I have a vaulted ceiling, so one wall is gonna go up, then come down. And I have that pesky smoke detector in the way. I figured out what to do with it. I was gonna take it off, but I guess I could leave it there. And I guess that's enough for the intro. Thanks for watching. Like if you hate it, like if you like it. Thanks.
Coming in, yeah, flex, I just wanna win, yeah, LABB who we running with, yeah, 2233, I'm on 10 again, yeah, state your name, EHomFul on flame, I just switched the lanes, damn he did it again, I just flipped the pain, stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming, coming in, yeah, flex, I just wanna win, yeah, LABB who we running with, yeah, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action. Bitch, I'm active. If he never heard of EHomFul, he just napping. Jackson's off the rapping. Keep it on my body, bitch, I'm broke if you asking. Don't gotta sell a Mosialis flawless. Broken whips as long as it is foreign. Heard you want it cause the yam's enormous. What's an ass since she isn't gorgeous? Live my life, last name of Morgan Freeman. Trying to touch a forest. Do not know when knocking on the door is. Came in, I came in. Did it like the Porsches. Coming in, yeah, flex, I just wanna win, yeah, LABB who we running with, yeah, 2233, I'm on 10 again, okay, alright. Coming in, yeah, flex, I just wanna win, yeah, LABB who we running with, yeah, 2233, I'm on 10, yeah.
After watching enough videos, I figured out I didn't want them to be straight on the wall. So I'm putting them indirect, so they're pointing up. That way you won't get to see the dots on the wall every time I take a picture or a video. Okay, so I finished putting the crown molding up, and after inspection I put wood putty on the holes, in the holes, to cover up the nails. And after that dried, I painted it white to clean up all the fingerprints and all the blemishes and all the fun stuff.
For the record, for the record, for the record, for the rugged. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. 8-6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping the. On record, off record. I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want to act, not the ghost.
So these lights again are called EHomFul. The option that I bought came with 100 feet. They have their own 2 little diodes just for white.
Running through it with the young influence, adolescent presence, I'm succumbing to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete ejected, but the moves elusive, and I'm barely moving, but I'm still gon' boost them. I can't work on winners when I know you're losing, so I work the winners and they throw the deuces. Guess I had to pivot, shooting no bazookas for the facts. I need racks, paper cash, fuck a tax, that's a joke. Tell them laugh, Uncle Sam, fuck out the bag. Brody plot, we get a whack, contract, give me the max. I got laugh on my back, you ain't that, then it's raps.
Drilled a hole in the wall, put the cord into there. The brick is literally hanging on the wall right now. Comes out through the back, plugged on the wall. Gonna fix that up, put all that white, put it nice and neat. Put a hole through the crown molding. There you go. And that's what it looks like. And that's the final product. Alright.